Hi, I'm Rich Berlin from Sonifex in the UK, and we're here at InfoComm 2026 to showcase some of the new products we're bringing out very soon. One of those products is our RM-X-64 unit, which is a Dante and MADI audio monitor. The option, that is the standard as it comes from the factory, but then you also have the ability to add in external cards by expansion ports. There's two expansion ports giving you 12G SDI, analog and digital. So we have on the display here the Dante options, where you can literally scroll through, because it's touchscreen, between Dante, the MADI, then we have our SDI inputs as well, and the digital as well. So once we can go through there, we can select a channel on the Dante inputs, that's our channels, but we can also scroll through like these, and you can exit out and just scroll through, and then you also have the ability to make your own monitoring groups of channels that you want to monitor in particular. So if you need any more details on these, go to Sonifex, www.sonifex.co.uk.